Welcome to our channel. If you want to set up Xbox Game Pass Ultimate, follow these step-by-step instructions to access hundreds of games. Step 1. Turn on your Xbox console or open the Xbox app on your Windows PC. Ensure you're connected to the internet. Step 2. Sign into your Microsoft account. If you don't have one, create a new account by following the on-screen prompts. Step 3. Navigate to the Xbox Store from your console's home screen or the Store tab in the Xbox app on PC. Step 4. Search for Xbox Game Pass Ultimate using the search function or look for promotional banners on the store homepage. Step 5. Select the Xbox Game Pass Ultimate subscription option. Review the pricing, which includes Xbox Live Gold, Game Pass for console, and Game Pass for PC. Step 6. Click Join or Subscribe and choose your payment method. Enter your credit card, PayPal, or use existing Microsoft account balance. Step 7. Confirm your subscription by reviewing the terms and clicking Confirm Purchase. Your subscription will begin immediately. Step 8. Once subscribed, browse the Game Pass library by pressing the Xbox button and selecting Game Pass. Download any game you want to play directly to your console or PC. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.